All right, so for this last piece, I want to hug this area first. I'm doing this solo, so I go ahead and show y'all how I do that. First, I just want to tack this side a little bit. When I pull it, just pull it around this edge as hard as I can. Still doesn't feel like enough. Magnet right there. Come back to this side. And I just tug around the edge. So now that my tension is running side to side, I know I got a good amount of stretch. Should be good. All I need is for this middle to be able to be worked out, and all the corners are pretty easy. So if we could square this down without many wrinkles, which we can, right there, I'm happy with that. The rest of this can be glassed out. Same thing this way. Hit it with some heat. Blast it out. And when you know the back is good, pretty much you know you're safe. Now we just gotta work out the top area. I handle this body line right here first. I'm just stretching from the middle out. I'll get out right there. Then go over to the other side and glass out the same way. Again, lifting up, heat from the middle. And you squeeze it back towards the middle. And I know, you're like, why are you putting the wrinkles back towards the middle? Check it out. So now I could heat sides, get all those wrinkles out, heat from here up to my fingers, place that down, heat the side, those wrinkles out, heat up to my fingers, place it down, put this area a little bit, a little extra love. Now your glass. So we pretty much just one pieced it like that. Super easy. But I wouldn't say super easy, but simple enough. Alright, so the most important step about this last phase is post-heating. You want to relax that film before you actually lay it down. You could use knifeless tape to cut this, or you could just cut it with a razor if you have some pretty good blade pressure. I like to slide the back of my blade against the body line. That way I'm cutting in open air. I don't have to worry about blading the vehicle. And then I go back and I post heat the edges down to make sure they're laid down for good. If you're kind of hesitant about whether it's going to stay or not, then you can use some of the 3M clear tape to make sure it lays down and doesn't peel back. And that's pretty much all you need to know. If you like content like this, then go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment, so the algorithm can push this video out to more viewers, and I'll see you guys next time.